Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each breath, allow yourself to relax more deeply. Let go of any worries or anxieties from today and focus on the peace of this moment. Now, imagine yourself in a warm, bright space filled with harmony and peaceful energy. This space represents your inner world, a place of infinite possibilities and abundance. In this space, you see a beautiful garden. In the center of the garden, there is a golden fountain sparkling in the sunlight. The water flowing from this fountain symbolizes the continuous flow of wealth and opportunities into your life. You walk towards the fountain and feel the energy of the water nourishing your spirit. As you reach out and touch the warm, glowing water, you sense the money and wealth flowing into your life through your fingertips. Each drop of water brings a new business opportunities, a glowing clientele, and unlimited financial prosperity. Now, begin to silently or softly repeat the following affirmations. My relationship with money is healthy and harmonious. Money flows effortlessly into my life. My business thrives and I receive abundant financial rewards. I open my heart to receive all the wealth and opportunities the universe offers me. I confidently attract and seize every beneficial financial opportunity. I am deserving of and open to receiving money and prosperity. As you repeat these affirmations, visualize the I am deserving of and open to receiving money and prosperity. As you repeat, the golden water becoming stronger, filling the entire garden and extending into every corner of your life. When you're ready, slowly bring yourself back from this visualization. Feel your feet firmly planted on the ground and become aware of your breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Ending this meditation with a sense of confidence and peace. In the coming days, remember these affirmations and repeat them whenever you feel the need. Let this positive energy guide your relationship with money and help your business attract wealth and success effortlessly.